Monday market mayhem, Nifty faces steep losses amid global turmoil. This Monday morning, GIFT Nifty is sliding on weak Wall Street cues. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests a scary Monday that's likely to start with a plunge and probably is likely to worsen all through the trading day with more steep losses. Blame it on the surprisingly strong US jobs report. The super hot December jobs report with the strongest new hiring numbers in 9 months is definitely going to make the Federal Reserve more hawkish. Also, FII's persistent selling is likely to trim any bullish expectations. This January month so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs. 21,357.50 crores. Long story short, Nifty and its stocks are again likely to be smashed down. Global cues are negative. In Friday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 20 to 55 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 3962 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are still indicating a massive breakdown on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 14.91 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.12 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 0.56. Nifty outlook, Nifty is likely to receive fresh drubbing. Caution will continue to be the buzzword. Nifty, CMP to 3432. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,263 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,727 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,100 and 23550. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 48734. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 47,900 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,500 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 47,900 and 49100. Bias for the day is negative. Buzzing stocks. TCS jumped 6% in Friday's trade on signs of demand revival, strong deal wins in Q3. TCS not just reported its highest third-quarter order book in 5 years, but also exhibited confidence to deliver stronger growth in CY25 and FY26. DMart Q3 results. Avenue Supermarts Limited's third-quarter profit rose marginally, reporting a 4.9% increase in consolidated net profit at 723.54 crore rupees for the December 2024 quarter. It reported a net profit of 690 crore rupees in the corresponding quarter. The results are slightly above street expectations. Now, this week, the Q3 Corporate India's earnings season will take center stage. Monday, 13th January, Angel One, Delta Corp, HCL Tech, Delta Corp. Tuesday, 14th January, HDFC AMC, Network 18. Nifty witnessed a dismal Friday's trading session as stocks just tumbled and investors scrambled for safety. The 7 big negative catalysts. 1. Weakening technical landscape for benchmark Nifty. 2. The Indian rupee hit a new record closing low at 86.15, primarily pressured by a firm dollar. Weak rupee makes Indian stock markets less attractive to foreign investors and raises inflation fears. 3. Wall Street too has started New Year 2025 with a hangover. In the week gone by, the S&P 500 lost 1.9%, the Nasdaq dropped 2.2%, and the Dow declined 1.8%. 4. The US 10-year spiked higher to 4.79%, the highest in 14 months. 5. The uncertainty tied to the Federal Reserve's rate path. 6. The street suspects President-elect Donald Trump's policies to be inflationary. 7. Spike in WTI oil prices towards $77 a barrel, the highest since October, as concerns grew over potential US sanctions disrupting Russian oil supplies. Long story short, tumultuous times ahead.